Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how you can fix your network problem on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, first of all, to fix your network problem, what you need to do is that friends, you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, or you can search on the search setting, and here you can search for the reset. Okay, when you search for the reset, here you can see the option of the reset network setting. You just tap on reset network setting. When you click on reset network setting, again you are going to find the option of the reset network setting. So just click on reset network setting. When you click on it, here you can see the option, this will reset all network settings. So this is going to reset your all network setting, including photos. This is including points, example like Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. This all will be reset. Okay, so if you want to fix your network problem, then you have to reset your mobile phone. Just tap on reset setting, and here it will be fixed successfully. And friends, if it doesn't fix, then what you need to do is that you can factory data reset. Okay, if it doesn't fix, so before you do that, friends, do not forget to back up your photos and videos. You can set data on your drive, or you can back up through another device also if you want to back up. Okay, so friends, this is how you can fix it on it. If it doesn't fix, then you can move on service center. Okay, because I just give you suggestion how you can fix your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.